Hi all, I'm not sure whether you're aware this current year 2024 is one of the biggest years for elections for the whole world. Close to 49% of the world's population across 64 plus countries is expected to go through elections this year and select their national leaders. And the biggest among them, the general elections in our country, India, is going on. It is expected to go through in 7 phases and end by around 1st of June. And these elections are momentous occasions for all the nations, including India, because the political, economic and social development of the nations going ahead depends on the results. And as a result, you may see market volatility in the phases when the election is going on. And any surprises like the one we saw in 2004, when the exit polls were saying that BJP-led India should win, whereas in the end the Congress-led UPA won, there was a short-term correction in the market as well as a fall in our currency. And heading into the elections, it's almost seemed like a done deal, where most of us expect the BJP-led NDA to win the elections and come to power again. And although there could be a bit of volatility, and we've been seeing some corrections because of the concerns like lower voter turnout, etc. But as long as the government is able to win majority with greater than 272 seats, I think market will take it positively and go forward in the coming months. And yes, there could be a bit of weakness if in case BJP wins seats lesser than what it managed last time 2019. But on the other side, if BJP wins more than 300 seats or NDA is able to get seats over 400, which they are targeting, then that would be a big positive for the markets, because that will not only ensure the policy continuity and the structural reforms, but will also help the government to take stronger reforms ahead, which is around the land, the labor, agriculture, etc. And some of the key reforms, if I highlight from the past decade, was number one, the insolvency and bankruptcy code, which ensure that the insolvency procedures are moved faster and a positive results could be achieved. Then the labor reforms, the real estate reforms around the RERA, the Real Estate Regulatory Authority, will ensure that no projects are launched without the approvals. And the production linked incentives and production linked schemes will ensure that the manufacturing in India and the Make in India story starts moving very well. So we can expect more such even stronger reforms in the coming months and years if the government comes back with maturity. So now we are almost in third phase of our election, and with just a couple of weeks left, and by 4th of June we'll get to know our government, and by 1st June evening we should start getting the exit poll results. So let's see, and during this time there could be a bit of volatility in the market, but like we have seen in the past 4 elections, where within 6 months to 1 year the markets are given positive returns, and we expect a similar turnout this time too, where the strong fund flows in the market and economic data will support the rally in the markets in long term. So let's look forward and wait for the positive results. Thank you.